China's proposed Belt and Road Initiative is founded upon building common and cooperative prosperity and is open to all nations, said a Turkish foreign policy expert.
Expanding connectivity reduces the nation's dependencies as it fosters diversification. But what is more important is the fact that the Belt and Road Initiative stands out as an open project to all nations, without any restrictions, without any further division lines. From this perspective, inclusiveness, rather than drawing new lines of exclusion, is the strength, what makes this initiative significant. It is founded upon building common and cooperative prosperity. I think the term together is very important. Rather than adopting a stance such as I have built, you shall comply, this approach involves nations that are willing to participate. It grants a chance and welcomes their experience and contribution to shape the conditions that takes into account their interests and concerns as well.
The expert also held the 8 major steps that China will take to support high-quality Belt and Road cooperation, which were announced during the 3rd Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation last week in Beijing.
The green development is crucial as we are experiencing the grave results of climate change. We owe a better world to our next generations. We should build a better future enhanced with high-end technology responsible to our environment and strengthened with inclusiveness.